Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here on Royal Caribbean's Wondrous Seas doing our first 7-night Western Caribbean cruise. This is the world's second largest cruise ship. I am super excited to share everything on this embarkation date, so come along and join us. Alright guys, we are checking into the cruise Terminal 1, and always remember, this is where you drop your bags off right here. I always charge a really good $5 tip. But parking is $145 for 7 days. So just remember that as well too. Yeah, we're on in. We're almost on Wondrous Sea and fixing to go through security. All right guys, we're all checked in. It's cruising time now. Come along and join us. All right guys, let's go. Y'all ready? Hi. Maddie, you ready for cruising? Liv, you ready? On the way up. Say bye to Florida.
Bye Florida. Bye Florida. Say bye Florida.
To Mexico we go.
Mommy, are you going to Mexico today?
Wondrous Sea, here we come. Y'all ready?
Yeah. No, scary.
Come on, hold my hand. Oh, this way. Split. Okay, so we made it onto the room. That was actually a weird way of coming onto the boat. Normally when I walk in, it goes right there into the promenade, but this time just kind of went right there, so wouldn't really much to see, but we're here in the room, so let me show y'all the room. All right, so pretty cool. Like I said, starting out, we just got here at 1:43, and we got into the port a little bit later, but it worked out because, like I said, we got into the room, just checked in, and that was it. But here's a little bit of the room. You got your bed right here. Whoa, and Stitch somehow came aboard with us. Got your TV right here. This will pull out into a bed. It's pretty cool.
I was bigger than any time.
And here's Maddie.
Oh, I'm scared.
Got you some ports right here. You all know I love my USB ports. Turn on. You got some things out plugging right here. And check out some drawers. Oh, got some sunglasses here. Got some drawers here. Madison's antagonizing Olivia.
No, I'm not trying to open.
Okay. Oh, we even got a little refrigerator in here. That's pretty cool. I don't think I recall on a royal ship having a refrigerator on here. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, this turns into a couch. We're gonna open this up. You got your closet here. Got your little lamp here that turns on and off.
Okay, I'll count.
And coming in, we're gonna have a whole nother space. Got you another closet right here.
4, 5.
Oh, Maddie's already making a mess. We got your safe right here.
Here I come.
Got your things right here. Got your Wi-Fi in here. Got more drawers. Got your phone. Now, what we'll show y'all here. Here's the bathroom. Not much to see. Oh, turn his light on. Of course, like I said, it's not a Disney boat. So of course, you don't get 2 bathrooms. But this will do for a week, I assume. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it. But yeah, got your toilet here. Go ahead and do a flush test. And walk to the shower. Let's see. Here I am. Here's me. It is kind of a tight squeeze, so yeah. Not sure I'm gonna like this for a week, but it'll do. I promise. All right. So, and the last but not least, the balcony. Let's come check this out. Oh, got your little speedboat out here. That's pretty cool. See that, Maddie? All right, I got you some chairs here. Be perfect for a whole week. Come sit out and get me a cocktail. Enjoy the sunset. Got the 2 guys out there. Make sure we're getting ready to go. Yeah, this is it. And I'm thinking I got locked out. I think the kids locked me out of this thing. Yeah, guys, that's going to wrap up this room tour. So let's go explore the ship and see what's going on out here. Get dressed, and not really get dressed, just kind of chill for a little bit and explore the boat. All right, guys, so we're just sitting here chilling at Sereno's. Maddie, show about your pizza. That's the best pizza, isn't it? Best cruise ship pizza. Yeah, I kind of been just beat. I've already ate mine.
The same.
Yeah. We'll show y'all over here. Of course, the line was busy earlier. But yeah, getting pizza all day and all night over here. One of my favorite things. All right, now it's time to sail away. All right, guys, it's time for dinner. Just sailed away and on to our meal. I thought it was 5:30, but I guess it was 5 o'clock. Good thing I checked my time though. Wow, this is nice. All right, let's start with our night one to eat. I think I'm gonna try the crab cake. Looks like you got some chicken. I'm not gonna eat that. I can eat chicken at home, but y'all know I'm gonna eat that snail. So I think we'll go with some crab cake and some snail. I normally get a salad, but instead of the salad, I think the I'm just gonna say snail would be a better option to go with. And then for my main course, I think I'm gonna go with some prime rib. And then for my dessert, I think I'm gonna go with the key lime pie. Maddie, what you gonna get? Steak. Charlie, what you gonna get?
Steak.
Everybody's going with prime rib. Livy, what you gonna get? He's undetermined.
You want burger?
Well, y'all missed what happened though. Livy kind of spilled water all over the place, and yeah, it was a good way to start off our little cruise. And already got our fruit trays.
Thank you.
All right, so check out here these crab cakes. They look pretty good. I've never really had a crab cake before, so it'll be my first time trying that. And here's some snail. And Maddie, what you eating? It good?
Well, pick a smaller piece.
All right, guys, so we're gonna try out this crab cake. Never had one before, but we're gonna try it. Interesting. Time for the main part. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna try it again. This crab cake, it was okay, but I'm gonna try it again with the sauce. Look, I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Let me wash it down with this snail though. Oh, delicious. And of course I got a blueberry mojito. Refreshing. All right, and dinner is served. Here's a New York strip, prime rib, and a baked potato. I thought I was supposed to get mashed potatoes, but I think they just thought I was getting this one right here, but it's all good. I'm gonna eat it anyways. I'm hungry. And I did get another one of those mojitos.
You can lay down. You can go to sleep.
And we got one fixing to fall asleep right here and one on the verge. Yeah, there's Charlie's right there. She got the mashed potatoes. All right, and dessert is here. Key lime cheesecake. Maddie can barely keep her head open. And Livy got a cookie. Oh, thank you. I think Livy's gonna give me another cookie, I'm thinking. Maddie, is your ice cream good? Sleeping and eating. That's what I call a good vacation. Keep digging in. And here he goes. He's having the best time of her life right here eating some ice cream. Let me go ahead and correct myself. It's actually a key lime pie, but either way, it's still a key lime and it's still gonna be good. All right, so dinner's done. It was okay. It wasn't the worst, but it wasn't the best either. Like I said, this is okay. The prime rib would have been better if I had horseradish in it, in my opinion. But like I said, the girls are enjoying the playground. Charlie's getting a massage, so we're just hanging out here on the boardwalk. One of my favorite views out here. Take a look out here. Oh yeah, got playmakers here. You got the little Sugar Bee store. You got the carousel. Like I said, this is very, very similar to Utopia. We got off this back in January. We had a great time on that ship. But like I said, there's very, very similar ships together. Now, I want to say that I need to go back and look at it, but I'm pretty sure it was on Utopia as well too. All right, guys, it's carousel time. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Maddie? Maddie, you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Whee! What do you think, Maddie?
Good, I'm going up and down.
Livy, what do you think? I think Livy likes it. Woohoo! I'm just standing here. I'm pretty sure the girls are liking it pretty good though. Got Maddie here, got Livy here. Okay, so we're done with the carousel. Drop Maddie off at the kids club. One thing, like I said, I've always recommend on my rule videos is make sure you early in the morning go ahead and register them in there. It's like a first come first serve, especially when it comes to like little toddlers. I tried to get Olivia something in for one of the nights that we weren't able to get it, but we're on a waiting list, so hopefully that works out. But let me show you something pretty cool though. So it's like this is like a little chill area. Every roll ship has this. It's like a little play zone. They can come here and chill out. And of course, I'm in here with Olivia right now. Hey, Olivia, where you at? Come say hey to everybody.
Go and get my freak out.
I think she told y'all to go away. Well, that's not very nice. But she's not a nice person herself. And of course, I did try to go in there. She did her thing. No friends. Just like little Frankenstein. Hey, Livy.
Huh?
Do you know what Frankenstein says?
Yeah.
Friends. Friends. Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice playground. Yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, guys, this is the Oceaneers Club. They got a lot to do. So that's one of the things that we like on Royal Caribbean. There's just so much for the kids to do out here. It's just our personal preference when taking our kids out here. But of course, there's a lot for the babies in there, from ages 0 to 6 months to 3 years of age. And once she's 3, she'll get to go where Maddie's at. And Dash from 3 to 5. And when Maddie turns 6, she'll get to go from the age 6 to 12 and so on. So yeah, so this is like I said, this is a little play area here, and we're just hanging out and on our time. But we got some surprises for nighttime. All right, so we're here in the Windjammer now. What kind of little snack? Of course, you know you got a little hungrier. But yeah, Livy got some Jello, some pineapples and watermelon, and got some fruit punch. And I'm gonna try. This is actually part of the refreshment package. It's a non-alcoholic beer. So they Royal Caribbean, they just announced this last week. So I'm really interested to see how this turns out. Now I'm about to try new drinks now, but I've never had a non-alcoholic beer. Ready? Cheers. Tourist rating 0 out of 5. No, that is disgusting. Like, it's disgusting, guys. Alright, so checking out the nightlife out here in the ship. We actually discovered a little playground. It's pretty cool. Livy's fixing to go down the slide. Come on down, Livy. Come on down. I hear you. Where you at? Okay. Yeah, come on down. Maybe she'll come down. Oh, we hear her. There she is. Hey, Livy. Yeah, they got a whole little playground here, and you got putt-putt out here. Pretty cool. Yeah, go back upstairs again. Yeah, guys, like you see, it's pretty cool here. Like, so you got a little basketball court out here. We're gonna do another day. We're gonna do a full ship tour. So make sure you subscribe for that. Yeah, you got a little playground here, and got your golf. And pretty dark outside. I hate to be out in the ocean right now. Well, I am, but I hate to be not on the boat. All right, guys, it's almost midnight. It's time to get this party lit and get started. You ready to party? Y'all boys gonna drop? I might get copyrighted, but this is pretty cool, guys. Okay, so I had to go to a little more quiet place. So me and myself back at the Bionic bar. But guys, it's pretty crunk out there. I thought Carnival was the crunk shit, but this might be the most crunk roller ship I've ever been on. On a side note though, but we're having a great time. Maddie, what you think? Oh, she's on Snapchat. But yeah. So like I said, guys, we're having a great time. We're balloon's gonna drop. And after the balloon drops, we're gonna call it a night and go to bed. But yeah, guys, as we're watching them make my drink right now, it's actually looks like this is the exact same spot where the pesky parrot was at, but I actually like this whole lot better. They had a few drinks in the parrot, but here you can actually customize what you want, and pretty cool to sit here watching it. And not as busy either. Well, I mean, it does get busy, but not as bad.
Wonderful. Welcome aboard, everybody. Like I mentioned, my name's Katie. I'm your cruise director, and I know why you're all here. You are here to drop these balloons and really get this cruise started. Now, okay, I want to know, is anyone going to drink? Anyone going to drink yet? Raise it high in the air. If you don't have a drink, that's all right. I still need you to raise your right hand, everybody. Raise your right hand. We need to declare the royal oath. Everybody, repeat after me. I promise.
I promise.
To have a great cruise.
Have a great cruise.
I promise.
I promise.
To make time to relax. I promise. To view this cruise with my own two eyes. And not through the eyes of my smartphone. One more. I promise to always love my cruise director. Oh, you guys are amazing. I love this. Are you ready to do it? Yes? All right, I'm going to need your help, everybody. I'm going to need you to all count down at the top of your voices as loud as you can, okay? Everybody, here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Maddie. Guys, that was nuts. Woo! We got balloons. I say that, yeah. It is time. Woo! All right, guys, we got our balloons. Make sure everybody got a balloon. Woo! That was a fun party. Guys, that's gonna wrap up day one. We got a lot of more videos, so make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's time to go to bed. The vlog is out. See you guys. Good night.